Okay, so back from discussions. So what's going to happen is I'll just go through my top tips, and then Hilary will go through her top tips of engaging youth work. But if there's anything we've missed, or if there's anything you'd like to share, please put it in the chat function. And that way you can save the chat function after the session, and you'll have all these amazing ideas to take back with you to your youth club. Okay, Hilary, can I get my next slide, please? Okay, so top tips. Like usual, you always consult with young people before you do any youth work. So you need to check what platform they want to use. So a lot of the time we might be using things like Facebook, but a lot of young people don't use Facebook anymore because old people like me are on it now, so it's not cool anymore. But they might be wanting to use something like Discord or Zoom. So just check where the young people are happy to have their youth club on. Also to consult about what do you want the content of the your youth club to be like online. Make it fun. So include lots of games, activities. You can pretty much do anything you would normally do. So we've been sent out STEM packs and whatnot, arts and crafts packs. So you can make it fun. And Hilary's going to go over lots of different games you can do later. Be enthusiastic. If you are maybe a bit hesitant about doing digital youth work, young people can pick up on that. And if they think actually you're not into digital youth work, then why should we be into digital youth work? So it's really important to be enthusiastic. It's a great opportunity to engage with young people that don't necessarily normally get to engage with youth work pre-vision. So it's really good to be enthusiastic about that and lead by example. Take a break. As you guys will all know, Zoom fatigue is real. So make sure you take a break, take lots of little breaks. Also try and do some activities maybe away from the screen. So the top game this year has been very much the scavenger hunt. When you're doing digital youth work, that's what young people really like because they get time away from their screen. So even just thinking of ways that you can do youth work and maybe the computer can be to the side. Use breakout rooms, so like we've done today, getting people into smaller groups just opens that discussion a bit better, so that's really good. Change it up, okay, so today we've got lots of different people coming in to speak. If it's the same person speaking all the time, it can be quite boring. The young people don't know what you have on your session plan, so if something's not working, change it up. And just because you're delivering digital youth work doesn't mean everything has to be digital. So we had a really amazing membership group that were handing out boredom bags as soon as COVID hit. So they were handing out physical resources. So the young people had a bag that had lots of craft activities that they could make bath bombs with and whatnot. So there's lots of other things you can do. Also, another top tip, I've not written it down, but I'll just give you a top tip anyway. Is also know what platform you're using. So there's lots of different techniques you can use. So when we first went onto digital youth work, a lot of young people didn't like it because they were seeing themselves. But young people can actually hide the picture of themselves if they don't feel comfortable. And that's my top tips. I'm going to hand off to Hilary.